Hello everyone. This video is about fairy bread, a nostalgic childhood treat, popular in Australia and New Zealand, on the birthday of Scottish author, Robert Louis Stevenson. Many linguistic scholars believe that Robert Louis Stevenson first coined the term in his 1885 poem, Fairy Bread, in a child's garden of verses. Traditional fairy bread unifies three simple ingredients: triangularly sliced white bread, slathered in butter, and topped with rainbow sprinkles, known colloquially as hundreds and thousands. If you decide to whip up some fairy bread of your own, keep in mind that to many, removing the crust means you've removed the dish's authenticity. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to Footprints for more videos,